This is my car. This is a Chevrolet Trailblazer. Alloy rims. New headlight. Chevy. Old headlight. Shiny wheels. Trailblazer. Show you the inside here. It's an LS. Here's the inside. This is my steering wheel cover. All my technology crap. Cell phone holder, air freshener, you know. Here's the radio. I'll show you the radio real quick. Hold on.
Jesus Christ, there's something about the chase. 6 whole years.
That's the radio. I don't really like Lady Gaga. I was just showing you the radio. I hate Lady Gaga. She's a real annoying bitch. That's my mirror. Well, show you. That's basically it. There's really nothing else to show you here. Well, that's the end of it. And that's basically it. I'm gonna drive it when I come home. My dad's gonna go and use it just for, you know, work. He uses it for work. He has his own car, but I'm not showing you that right now. He needs it for bigger things. So he said I can use it when I get home. Well, there's my baby. My baby. It's my baby. It's my baby. Shiny rims. Just cleaned this car. I took a video before, but wanted to make sure the car was clean when I took another video. That's my car. Thank you.